Good morning, everyone. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh my goodness, I'm back. And I've got new hair and I've got refreshed views and vistas that I've got to share with you. And the first one today is I'm back to work with mosswear. That's right, I'm working with my sister and I love it. And I'm always learning something new there, you know? And it's great in your life to learn something new. But I am also learning how, not learning because I've always known how to do it, but look in the camera, Claudia, look right there. I am learning how to set my day like I set my concealer and my contour. Not a lot. It doesn't take a lot of stress and strain and work to set that concealer and that contour when you're making up, which is what I love to do, as well as a few other things, as you know. But when I'm setting my day, I set my day lightly. I dust it. Before, as you saw in my last video, I was caking that beignet powder on until I looked like I was deceased, awakened and put to sleep again. But I am learning how to not bake anymore because a girl's skin does not need all of that, and a girl's life does not need all of that stressing. So I'm learning to take a little bit of powder and brush it under my eyes, a little bit of contour and brush it around my face, and glow, glow, glow up like my day. Now this day is a bit overcast behind me in this window, but let me tell you, it is glowing because I bring my glow to the day. You bring your glow to the day, and we glow up all day, all day. Now, I am going to set my day as well with intention. I intend to have a spectacular work day at Mosswear. I'm going to smile, sling this hair, oh my goodness, do whatever Glenda asks me to do and do it to the best of my ability. And I am going to have a magnanimous, spectacular day. I will let you know when I get home today because this battery is about to faint. Babies, I won't be fainting. My spirit won't be fainting. Glenda is going to be like, oh my God, who is this chick? I've got my smoothie behind me, banana, kale, and aloe vera juice, and a little bit of water. My thumb is feeling amazing when it was hurting so badly, and it was so inflamed from editing, using that mouse, and riding my bike when I was down in Alabama with my dad. But babies, let me tell you, you can turn everything, loves, you can turn it around with your thought, your intentions, your actions, your words, and your higher self. Oh my goodness! I will see you guys later on when I tell you how the day went. But don't you like this hair? And just a little bit of makeup, no foundation, eyes done, brows done, lips okay, and attitude sparkling and shimmering. Ooh, like the buttery coastal scents eyeshadow on my lids, baby. Let's go out and get this. I'll drink my smoothie on the way in, talk with my friend, and I'll check you guys later when I'm back from work and my battery is charged. And who knows, I may be able to give you a blue look like my friend here on YouTube. I'm going to do a makeup video like hers. I'm gonna follow her. I tried to follow a raindrops a makeup video. Who knows, that might go down today. But I know one thing, with my intentions set, like my foundation, my bookshelf went up last night. And I still got up relatively early. And I'm going to be at work before 10. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye, loves. See you at the end of this day when I tell you how well I set my day. Like I set my concealer and contour. Mwah, mwah. See you in a few hours. Bye. Okay guys, hello again. It's probably going towards Wednesday morning. Let me see. Let's go and see what time it is. Oops. How about this? I'm in my room. It's 12:19. It is Wednesday morning. It's 12:19. So I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for bed. But yesterday, Tuesday, was wonderful. And my foundation, my powder, my setting powder lasted all day and all night. Because at work yesterday, everything was great. You know, I told you I set my foundation and my contour just like I set my day. I didn't actually set my make foundation, you remember, because I didn't have any. I didn't have any on, but I set my intentions for the day, and Tuesday was wonderful. Yes, I'm looking at the screen again. I just can't help it. I'm up there. And I've got to make sure, you know, I'm not cutting off my head or the top portion. My wig didn't go back. Everything looks great. But anyway, yesterday was wonderful. There were a few spots in my day where I had to pause, consider what was being said to me, the tone in which it was being said, and the intent, and take it in, breathe, listen. Then I made my decision not to react, not to respond to what I felt was less than savory as far as how something was said to me. I made the decision to love me, and in that, silence was and is my spiritual way of dealing with ripples in the water that I don't need to send me into chaos inside and outside. So that setting powder for my concealer and the setting powder for my contour worked in the day, because I set those intentions for myself for a sensational day, and it was so easier than I could ever think it would be, than I ever thought it would be. I just simply did not respond to what I perceived was negative, rude, intentionally hurtful. I just let it go drifting by like smoke on a smoke screen. And inevitably, it cleared. The air cleared in the silence, and I went on. Sometimes silence may not be so golden, but usually it is for me, because it allows me a chance to reflect in that moment what's going on, and if I want to hurtle myself into a situation I don't want to be in. So without going into details about it, I will just say the day was quite lovely. And not only that, I was able to leave work today and go to the gym and work out. That was another wonderful period as well. They're taking a bath upstairs and I can hear the water going, because my suite is a basement suite, which is one of the best suites in the house. But nonetheless, I came home, had a delightful dinner. My battery was charging, so I couldn't share dinner with you guys, but nonetheless, it was sauteed mustard greens, which I had never had before. They were a little tough, but quite good. When I put the hoisin sauce on top of them, and I used the white mushrooms and garlic. Ooh, and I sauteed it in my wok. It was delicious. Oh, and I used the hoisin sauce hot on it, plus I put hoisin sauce on the rice. I did jasmine rice in the rice cooker, and I put that as a base to the dinner, and put the greens and the mushrooms and the garlic and a little bit of peanuts on top of that. No, I didn't have time to redo my face to tell you guys what happened in the day. I just brushed my teeth, and I'm going to get ready for bed, put out some clothes for tomorrow, and I believe what I will do is I will listen to 1 or 2 motivational videos before I go to sleep, or read another short story in the book that I'm enjoying. And this is the book that I'm enjoying. I'm a writer in this book, so if you pick this up, you will see my name. And this is Stories of Blossoming Black Lesbian Love, First Bloom, edited by Saydeah E. Howard. It is quite gorgeous, and I will do a book review on this book as well. I've been putting my book reviews on my blog, Claudia'sUniverse, one-word blogs, but I think I'm going to put a few on this channel, my main channel. So yes, my setting powder lasted all day. Set your intentions. They will last all day, and you have spectacular days, because you don't have to react to every perceived negativity or every negative spot in your day. You don't have to respond to it. Just sit in silence, and if you need to, of course, speak. But if not, it will pass. It will pass. And this too will pass, because my intentions were set for something that I received. Sunny skies in a warm day that was actually gray, dreary, and cold and wet. But gray, dreary, cold, and wet has its beauty as well. We need those days, same as we need the warm, summer-like days in this winter. But I'm going to do the same thing for tomorrow. Wake up, set my intentions, smile, and hold my inner peace sacred and dear, and walk out of the day back into my precious place here and start planning for what I'm going to do. I'm so excited. I've got so much to do, and I've got some videos lined up for you guys, and I'm just excited. I'm super excited. Oh, and I manifested some threaded eyebrows. I've got to tell you my own law of attraction stories, and I manifested something else based on the deep feelings that I received inside. I'm so excited, and I see 1111 all the time, and 111, 333, 555 all the time now. It's just amazing, and when I see those numbers, love just washes over me, because I know that I am guided, loved, and blessed, just like you. So, buenas noches, good night, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye.